Guys, konečne som si kúpila grafickú kartu, takže viete, čo to znamená? Že sa konečne môžem vrátiť k Hogwarts Legacy, ktorý už absolútne nie je aktuálny, ale nevadí. Ja sa na to veľmi teším. Vyzerám s tými vlasmi jak Malfoy, keď ich mám takto dozadu. Naposledy sme hrali presne pred rokom. Musela som si pozrieť záznam zo streamu, aby som vedela, kedy to bolo. Naposledy sme dokončili Reckhamovú skúšku. Videli sme spomienku z Izodorov. A skončili sme tesne pred hodinou s čarovnými zvermi, na ktorú sa pustíme dnes. Toto bude taký chill gameplay, takže si kľudne zoberte papaničko, pitičko, sadkajte si. Takže, poďme na to. Neviem, čo to bolo za sound effect. Dobre, takže kde sa nachádzame? Ľudia, kúkajte na tú kvalitu. Pozrite sa na to. Ja musím pozrieť, ak mám nastavené nastavenia. Vidíte to? Ultra, všetko je ultra. Mega. Ja som tak šťastná z tohto, že normálne mi idú trošku slzy, ale musím to potlačiť, pretože nechcem sa rozmazať. Kde sme skončili? Ideme na tú hodinu fantastických zverov, alebo aké máme ešte side questy? Flight! Ideme na flight test. Chcem si zalietať, chcem si pozrieť túto krajinku. Poďme na Quidditch pitch, čo ja nenadávam. Viem aj lietať? Viem. Yes. To je super. Pozrite na to, ľudia. Ten hrad vyzerá bombasticky. Dobre, ideme splniť questy. Jak idem dole? Počkajte. CTRL, že? Dobre.
Hey you, Hufflepuff.
Imelda Reyes? Albie Week sent me.
Did he now? Still tinkering with his broom upgrade, no doubt. I tried to help him once. He nitpicked my flying technique, and that was the end of that. The nerve. Why is he roping you into his broom testing silliness? You've barely started flying from what I know. Caught wind of you showing off in flying class with Clopton.
You sound jealous.
Seems someone's jealous of my skills on a broom.
Me, Slytherin Quidditch captain, jealous of you. Everyone knows that class is only for beginners, troublemakers, and bumbling baboons. But for some reason, now people think you're competition. Ugh, I can't be having that.
Perhaps I am competition.
You're not even Slytherin. Could be a useless squib for all I know. Enough of this. Only one way to find out who's the better flyer. I hold one of the fastest times on this course. Let's see if you can beat it. Slytherin versus Hufflepuff.
Let's go!
Actually, why not? I can beat your record.
I'm so looking forward to seeing
Myslím
you
si,
lose.
že tam asi dám titulky, aby ste vedeli, že čo sa tam deje pre anglických speakerov. Aha, už ideme! Ježkovi. Ja som trošku rusty, ja neviem, či viem... Shit! Kto je tento pandrlák, akože? Yes. Ono to je o dosť ťažšie, než sa zdá, akože ľudia. Tak vám poviem. Nikdy neviem odhadnúť, že presne, že či sa viem trafiť do tej žltej kuličky, alebo nie. No teraz som napríklad príliš vysoko, nevidela som o tom. This is so hard. Ne, nie to vôbec také ťažké. Pohoda.
Made it!
Zrejme sa sústredím. Rýchlo, lebo to nestihnem. Myslíš, že to dám? Aha, to už je... to dám s prstom v nose. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
That's not... You must have cheated, you... Oh! Fine. You won. Don't think this is over. You can't determine skill from one single trial.
Surely my win means something.
You're not terrible, but you're still going to have to prove yourself if you want to earn my respect.
Challenge accepted then.
Perhaps you have what it takes after all. We shall see. But don't get your hopes up. The next course near Irondale offers a much tougher challenge. You can try to prepare by racing this course again. Just check in at the podium, where the leaderboard is. You can check your time and start the race. We'll see next time if your win here was more than just a fluke. Whilst on an errand for Albie Weeks.
OK. Dobrze. This was fun. Pozrieme sa ďalej. Čo máme tuto ďalej na... možno zrobiť? Jeden side quest hotový. A ideme na ďalší. Flight test. Počkať, to ešte pokračuje? Update. Ja musím updateovať pána Weeks on the result of the broom trial. Takže ideme za pánom... Aha, to je v Rockville. OK, tak poďme sem. Rozhodla som sa, ľudia, že to budem robiť takým chillovejším štýlom, tento edit, že to nebude úplne prehajpované, ale také, aby si pri tom človek mohol tak oddychnúť. Nehodil by sa mi tam taký rýchly, prehajpovaný edit, ale budem strihať nejaké veci určite.
Oh, you're back! With something to report, I hope?
Mr. Weeks, I was able to set a record on my broom.
Incredible! Miss Reyes must have been shocked. Tell me, how was the broom?
A little turbulent and is wanting for a bit of speed, but it fared well enough. I will say that it tended to drift a bit to the left on certain turns. Heard a slight swoosh when I dipped.
Oh, thank you. That's precisely what I needed to know. Drifted, eh? I shall get to work immediately. Even the naysayers will be forced to admit that my work's had potential all along.
Who has doubt?
Why would anyone doubt your ability to upgrade brooms?
Oh, you'd be surprised. People get set in their ways, worry that fiddling with what's working fine will somehow ruin it. Those people don't appreciate the sense of freedom that comes with quality broom flight, nor do they appreciate all that's involved in the creative process. I have a friend in Rome runs a shop like mine, says it's worse there. Of course, they do nap in the afternoons from what I hear. And where would we be without enhancements? I mean, if Elliot Smethwick had let the naysayers get to him, we would never have had the cushioning charm. I don't listen to them.
I'm excited to hear more.
I have a very good feeling about this upgrade. I guarantee you'll be pleased. Expect to hear from me soon. How to address the issue of altitude as it relates to speed.
Dobre, super. Takže toto by sme mali teda končiť hotové tým pádom. Poďme na ďalší quest teda. Ja som inak zistila, že toto Diamond Black Lake, že som to robila celú dobu zle vtedy na tom streame. Takže ideme toto splniť, lebo to je úplne easy task a nechápem, jak je možné, že som na to nedošla. Takže let's go.
Hello again. I've got spectacular news.
Teraz, keď som išla, no dobré, nevadí. Ideme dole k Black Lake, k Čiernemu jazeru. Normálne cítim ten čerstvý Vánok na tomto miestečku. Jediná vec, ktorá mi najviac vadí... Myslela som, že to zapalím, nevadí. Jediná vec, ktorá mi na tomto vadí, je, že musím mať oproti sebe zapnuté svetlo, aby ma bolo vidno a docela ma to oslepuje. Dobre, nebudem sa sťažovať. We are almost here. Idem za ňou.
Why did I never learn how to swim?
Why did I never learn how to swim?
Going for a swim?
Goodness, no. Though I'm beginning to think I really should learn how to swim. Can't very well be liaison to the mer people if I don't know how to swim.
You're a liaison to the mer people.
Well, not technically, no. At least not yet. The position doesn't actually exist at the moment, but I have a plan to change that. I'm Nerida, by the way. Nerida Roberts. We didn't officially meet, but we duelled in the Crossed Swans Club.
Yes, of course. Good to see you again.
And you.
You seem quite interested in mer people.
I am. And they're as misunderstood and disregarded by wizard kind as goblins and centaurs are. I feel that if goblins and centaurs have liaison officers at the ministry, then the mer people should have one too.
I'm impressed. I think reaching out to the mer people is a grand idea.
You do? Oh, thank you. Of course, I haven't exactly done anything just yet. I presented them with a gift a few weeks ago, and they wanted to leave me one as well, in one of their caves. Reciprocity and an offer to visit. I tried telling them I couldn't swim, but I'm afraid that bit got lost in translation. Mermish really is tricky.
Čo to by ma zaujímalo?
What is it about the mer people that interests you so much?
I can't begin to tell you how brilliant they are. I mean, rumour is that tales about them have infiltrated even the Muggle world. The oldest known mer people, sirens, come from Greece. And of course Scotland has Selkies and Ireland is home to Merrows. I could go on for ages about them. Their glorious underwater communities, domestication of sea life, their art and music. It's a travesty how little is understood about them.
How has wizardkind fallen short in its treatment of mer people?
Well, we've consistently deemed mer people as being beneath us despite the many similarities between our cultures. One can hardly blame them for declining being status by the ministry years ago. Who are we to classify those of such beauty and intelligence?
What do you imagine a liaison to the mer people would do?
Oh, so many things. I want to know everything I can about them. After I've mastered swimming, I perfect my mermish, of course, and I'd share with them anything they wanted to know about wizardkind. My hope is that by understanding each other better, both of our societies could grow.
Well, I can swim and could help you if you'd like.
You'd really do that? Oh, thank you! Thank you, thank you! The last thing I want is for them to think I'd shunned their gift. Diplomacy is a delicate dance. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think you can dive down to their cave from just there in the water. I can't wait to hear about what you find. One day
Mer
soon I'll
people,
see for
to sú
myself.
asi tí
I just know
ľudia,
it.
s ktorými sa rozprával Dumbledore, keď vybavoval niečo. Počkej, čo?
Look at this place. Did the mer people really leave Nerida an artifact?
Toto som vôbec nečakala, že uvidím. Ja som asi myslela vtedy iný quest. Áno, viem, toto sú tie na Lumos. Hovadinky.
Confringo! Now then, I'll need you to come with me. Protego! Now for the rest of you.
Ja budem furt stlačiť to Protego omylom.
Incendio! Lumos!
To som fakt zvedavá, že čo tam je na konci. Počkať, jedna, druhá a tu je tretia. Celkom bojím, čo je na druhej strane.
What do we have in here then?
Aha, okej.
Nerida will be happy about this.
A Mermish artifact. Interesting. Ani ja sa inak neviem potápať, by the way.
Your gift from the mer people was exactly where they said it would be.
Oh, that's wonderful news. I was so worried I'd left it too long and they'd seen it as a slight. Our relationship with them is already so tenuous.
Môžeme sa rozhodnúť, či je to dáme alebo nedáme, ale ja by
Then
som
I'm
to
glad we helped
nikdy
to foster some
neurobila.
healthy diplomatic relations.
Merlin's beard. It's marvelous. I'm going to show it to everyone, including the ministry. Should I hand deliver it or send by owl? Thank you again so much. You may have just helped improve relations between wizard kind and mer people for decades to come. I can't wait to study this.
A super, máme konečne stať auto.
Incendio!
Tu určite niečo bude, že? Jasné. Poberajme, čo sa dá. Tuto najmä niečo cinklo, nie? Jasné, kde to je? Čierne jazero alebo Veľké jazero, sediaci riaditeľ márne preferuje názov Prior, je sladkovodnou rozlohou južne od hradu. Temné hlbiny jazera sú domovom morských ľudí, grindylovou a iných magických vodných zvierat a bytostí. Vrátane obrovského kalamára, prekvapivo priateľského hlavonožca s obľubou v toustoch. Jazerné kalamáre.
Čo mi to ťaha znovu? Jazerné kalamáre!
To je tá oliheň, ktorá je asi vidno, keď ste v Slytheline, tak tam v ich spoločenskej miestnosti sa dá zbadať tá obrovská oliheň. Dobre, neviem, idem hore, ale neviem vlastne kam idem. Je to niečo, čo mi chýba? Nie.
I haven't been called Puffskein Dunkeen once since you brought me that venomous tentacular leaf. I think I am actually braver.
Puffskein Dunkin. Ja som si ľudia tak napozerala fikcie vyrobené fanúšikmi z Hogwarts Legacy, s ich hlasmi. Niekto proste spravil, nahral si ich hlasy a AI-kom vytvoril proste zvlášť také príbehy a ja som sa to tak napozerala. Možno sem niečo dám.
You know, it sure is safe to say 5th year as of 1890 has been fairly interesting, to best put it. As I'm sure everyone already knows, we've got ourselves a new 5th year. Sure, as popular of a topic as they are amongst the rest of us, I can't help but to have noticed something about them. They're rarely here. I decided to investigate the matter a bit, beyond Hogwarts, hoping to catch some answers, and these are my findings. They're quite puzzling. Sometimes she goes to Hogsmeade. When she's here, I've discovered she just runs around. Oh, I'm sensing now she's taking a nap. Wait, right in the middle of Gladrags, what even is the purpose? I suppose I do understand the need for an afternoon nap, but at least do it at Hogwarts. The floors are far more comfortable. Very well, it seems she is going into other people's homes now. I guess I'll admit I'm quite impressed she can pull this off. Ah, stealing now? Nicely done. We should start calling you the new Niffler rather than the new 5th year. That reminds me, I should better lock my things.
Alice, did you kill your mandrake again?
Why am I so utterly dreadful at herbology?
But I thought that herbology was all Slytherin's favourite class.
Oh, and how's that?
Because it's in the greenhouse.
It's actually history of magic.
Poďme sem, poďme na tento quest. Poďme tam, že normálne pešky, lebo už som dlho nechodila po hrade. A idem do zlého smeru. Jaj. This is so nice. Aha, už je tu? Dobre, tak to bolo celkom rýchle.
Hello again, Mr. Moon.
Oh, I was hoping to see you again, my young friend. Gladwin Moon, Hogwarts caretaker, at your service. First, please allow me to apologise if I seemed a bit unsteady when we last met. I'm afraid I had a rather disconcerting encounter. Although I hear your visit to Hogsmeade was even more eventful than mine.
I suppose you could call it eventful. I certainly wasn't expecting a troll attack.
Oh, of course not. And from what I understand, the village was lucky you were there. In fact, my recent visit to Hogsmeade is the reason I was hoping to bump into you. I could use your help with something. Do you see that curious statue over there? Watch what happens when that light changes from day to night. Now, if you wouldn't mind humouring me for a moment, see if you can remove the moon from the statue. Odd little contraptions, aren't they? It seems the statue vanishes once the moon is removed.
Exactly.
Which, incidentally, can only be done at night.
I'm sorry.
Why don't you hold on to that one for now, and I'll explain more as we walk.
A neviem vydržať na jednom
Ever
mieste.
since that fateful day in the village, those curious statues have begun appearing about the castle. A fair number have been strewn around Hogsmeade. Someone, it seems, is trying to torment me. You see, that day in Hogsmeade, I turned a corner and came face to face with a boggart.
Boggart.
Or shapeshifter, if you will. Which takes the form of whatever scares you most. This one took the form of a demiguise.
A demiguise?
Yes! Terrifying creature that can see the future.
To sa zlakne, keď
Wholly
skočím.
unnerving. I encountered one when I was a lad in Korea. Terrible experience.
Wow, okay.
Those statues are demiguises.
That's fun.
The moons, I assume, are an uninspired play on my name. Some jackanapes used a boggart to learn my
My sa asi
greatest
naučíme
fear
otvárať si
and use
kúzla.
it against me. I have my suspicion as to the scoundrel or scoundrels responsible. It is my hope that they will slip up and reveal themselves as the statues disappear. That is why I need your help in removing the statues.
Okay.
Why me?
A couple of reasons, frankly. First, your daring do against those trolls in Hogsmeade has gained you a reputation for fearlessness. Second, as macabre and hideous as a demiguise is, most would find my fear of them unwarranted. You, however, have seen how they affect me. I'm at my wit's end, young friend. I simply can't bring myself to go near them. In fact, I know of two statues right here in the faculty tower. Perhaps you could start simply by removing them, so I can go about my evening duties.
What's in it for me?
Why would I do this? Seems all risk and no reward.
Oh, rest assured, there's very little risk, and there is, in fact, a reward. I will teach you a particularly useful spell. First, you know how to cast a disillusionment charm, correct? You'll want to do that before wandering the tower at night. Next, you'll notice that the door is locked. However will you get in? Alahomora, that's how.
But what about curfew?
Curfew? Oh, tosh! I sense you're a bit like me when I was your age. Oh, the school was my oyster. And I took advantage of it. Oh, everyone loved me for it. Oh, those were the days. Now, you'll find one statue in the prefect's bathroom and the other in the hospital wing. Good luck. Oh, and thank you.
My budeme mať prístup do prefektských záchodov, či kúpeľne, či do keľu. Nestihla som to, nevedela som, kde mám knifko. Ale stihnem to tak, či tak. Yes. Alohomora. Počkaj. Alohomora. Dobre, ideme na to. Ideme unlocknúť lock. Alohomora. Okej. Q, E, A, D. Q. Ja som prirodzený talent. Alohomora.
Remember, use a disillusionment charm so no one claps eyes on you. This is a restricted area of the castle.
Prečo mi ukazuje restricted area? But I can't see absolutely nothing. Dobre.
Revelio.
Is it something for me? Is here? Tu bude niekde kľúč. No toto by som nenašla inak. Len tak, keby sa tu potulujem. OK. Dúfam, že mám miestečko ešte. Ďalší lock, ktorý neviem otvoriť. Tu sa neviem dostať. Oh my god. Dopis. Profesor Fig, dostávam vašu najnovšiu sovu. Ospravedlňujem sa za neskorú odpoveď. Stále dostávam veľa korešpondencie týkajúce sa zavedenia nie tak nedávnej penalty v Metlobale, ktorá podľa môjho skromného názoru priniesla hru do modernej doby. Úprimne povedané, je prekvapujúce, koľko divákov nechce nič menej, než vidieť, ako sa strážcovia Metlobalu úplne zložia. Čo sa týka témy vášho nedávneho listu na ministerstve, vás ubezpečujeme, že všetky potenciálne hrozby pre čarodejníkov sa berú celkom seriózne. Zaznamenal som si vaše obavy a pokiaľ to čas dovolí, Ministerstvo pre presadzovanie magického zákona zabezpečí, aby sa záležitosť preskúmala. Ceníme si názory vážených čarodejníkov, ako ste vy, a môžete si byť istí, že veci máme v dobrých rukách. Ak si želáte, môžem zabezpečiť miesto pre vás a vášho hostia v tohtoročnom Metlobalovom finále. Myslím, že by vás potešilo, keby ste videli výsledky dobre vedenej a efektívnej vlády. Všetko dobré, Faris Pavin, minister mágie. Ok, neviem, či je to také dôležité, aby sme vedeli o tom. A tuto sa nevieme dostať, že? Vieme! Dobre. Čo to bolo? Ačko. A Dčko? Ačko, Dčko. Alohomora.
Velia.
Ďalší list. Milá Mirabel, moja drahá Dot sa pýta po tebe. Možno ju presvedčím, aby sa zastavila na 1 alebo 2 ďatelinové pivá, ak by ste sa k nám pridali. Už je to príliš dlho. Keď sa vám podarí prísť, zaujímalo by ma, či by ste sa mohli rozdeliť s niekoľkými vašimi rastlinami. Z tých voňavejších už od útoku trolov sa zákazníci sťažujú na zápach, verte či neverte, starých ponožiek. Nič, čo som vyskúšala, nedokázalo ten zápach prekryť. Dúfam, že sa čoskoro uvidíme s rastlinami alebo bez nich. Tvoja priateľka, Sirona. Sirona, to je tá z Broomsticks, z 3 metiel. Aj tu viem ísť. Super. Nevadí, že ma ten obraz vidí? Získali sme niečo cenné. Je tu niečo? Ja už som ale tak trošku zabudla, že čo mám robiť s tou skriňou. Jožko, ja som sa tiež zlakla. S tou skriňou a s tým kľúčom. Tak trochu som zabudla. Casting reveals authority figures. OK, takže...
Velia.
Tam je ten kľúč. A tam vedľa toho niekto je. OK. Je tu niečo pre mňa? Asi nie. Je tu nejaký dopis. Pripomienka prestav. Rockfarskí domáci škriatkovia odvádzajú výnimočnú prácu pri udržiavaní poriadku na hrade. Málo kedy sú nepripravení na akékoľvek veci, s ktorými sa môžu stretnúť každý deň. Avšak na ďalší deň spoza vankúša nečakane vyleteli skryté čarokrekry. Kakofónia bola nanajvýš nepríjemná a pohltila jedného úbohého škriatka modrým dymom a tým z nás, čo boli na blízku, nám po zvyšok dňa ohavne zvonilo v ušiach. Očakávam, že vinníkom bol zloduch. Dávajte pozor a buďte opatrní. Matilda Weasleyová, zástupkyňa riaditeľa. OK. A teraz čo? Ako to mám urobiť?
Velia.
Tu je ten človek. A ten kľúč.
Lumos.
Tak to neurobím? Ako si privolám ten kľúč? Poď sem. Yes! Yes! Čo mám robiť teraz? Slap. Slap! Som sa zlakla toho. Yes! Dobre, super, máme house token, môžeme ísť ďalej. Škoda, že neviem behať, keď som takto neviditeľná.
Avelia.
OK, tam je nejaký zámok, tam je nejaký zámok. Tam je jádanka. Oh my god, ja to zvládnem, keď tu niekto stojí a kúka tu. Dobre, dobre. Ja to chcem spraviť. Jeden otáznik. Musím revealnúť toto vlastne. Jeden otáznik je čo? Počkaj, čo je pavúk? Pavúk je, to je vlastne od 0 do 9, že? Že 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 a 5. 13. Takže 0. Takže tam bude ten Demiguise, of course. A 2 otázniky sú 1, 2, to je 5, to je 9. A to je ten posledný, a to je čo za obrázok? Nie, toto. Sranda, že to vôbec nepočuje ani nevidí, ale ma sa tam pozerá, ale však čo, mne to nevadí. Wow. Kde to sme? Tu asi nemusím byť úplne, že skrytá, že? A dole niečo je. Ale tam sa nedá ísť. Tak sa predsa len prechádza. Otoč sa, ty trulo. Jak ja mám potom prejsť? Ja vidím na tej mape, že si otočený smerom ku mne. Chod tam. Yes. Rýchlo. 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 Ale tam sú ešte dvere. Tam chcem ísť. Shit. Skúsim ho tam privolať. Chod tam. Rýchlo, rýchlo. Nemôžem tam ísť. Dobre, tak idem hore. Idem hore. Ešte niečo? Nie.
Avelia.
Tu nikto není? Aha, okej, prečo sú modrí?
Rather poorly, I'd say.
Is that so?
We're raising a generation of coddled
Ten zámok.
people. The difference between Arcanite and Asphodel.
Ten zámok asi nebudem vedieť
It's still
spraviť.
early. Perhaps they'll improve.
You say that every year, Matilda.
Okej, tak idem hore. Tam k ním sa asi nemám šancu dostať. Tu je niečo? Nič. Dobre, ideme ďalej hore. Potišku, ako ticho šľap. Kto bol ticho šľap?
Avelia.
To je ďalšia skříň. Tam sú traja ľudia.
Avelia.
Boris the Bewildered. Táto socha strateného čarodejníka známeho ako Boris Zmetený metie študentov už celé veky. Prichádza alebo odchádza. Je na začiatku alebo na konci cesty. Možno sa to nikdy nedozvieme. Zase mi, že je tam vzadu. Toto bolo... A mám to tu. Okay. Dobre, a ja musím ísť tam, že? Čo je hore? Ja sa tu budem vedieť potom len tak dostať.
Avelia.
Dobre, máme ďalšiu field page. Majestátna fontána jednorožca dodáva nemocničnému krídlu v Rockforte atmosféru pokoja. My sme v Hospital Wing. Oh shit. Idem dole vybaviť tú... Keď hento je Hospital Wing, tak toto musí byť perfectská kúpeľňa.
Avelia.
Ale ako sa tam dostane? Tu je ten kľúč.
Primos. Yes.
Ja sa vždy zlaknem a takto smačknem. Super. Dobre. Vlastne tu sú tie kúpeľne, ale čo je tu? Je tu veľa strážnych ľudí. Musí tu byť nejaký poklad.
Hello, Homura.
To som ešte nezažila, že by bola truhla takáto. My sme v tých hodinách. OK. Dobre. Fakt dúfam, že si ma nevšimne tento typeček. A čo je tu dole? To je strašne rozľahlé. Ne, dobre, tak tuto budem musieť prehľadávať asi po tomto queste. Dobre, ideme do prefektskej bathroom.
This must be the prefect's bathroom.
Exactly.
Ranrock's loyalists are preparing for a rebellion.
Hello, Homura.
Ahoj, Homura. Také o ničom veci tam nachádzam.
Revelio.
Dobre, kúkajú sa.
That's it. 50 house points. You know you can't do that.
Strašne by som chcela otočiť tým kohútikom, ale... Oh my god, nie, oni sa rozdelili. OK. Prečo si takto? Čo to je? To je asi to, čo vo filme bolo tiež na tom okienku. Dúfam, že to nepočul.
Revelio.
Môžeme ísť hore. Tam som bola. Teda tam som mohla ísť, ale tam niekto stojí. Je ho tam vidieť, tohto človeka. To niekto úplne niekde inde. To ma akože nevidie takto.
I'm partial to Hufflepuff myself.
Dobre, idem najprv po toto. Ten papier urobím inokedy. Rokvartská škola čarodejnícka. Nemocničné krídlo. Ošetrujúci lekár, sestra Noreen Bailey. Meno pacienta zredigované na rozkaz profesora Blacka. Vek zredigované na rozkaz profesora Blacka. Poznámky. Pacient bol zranený počas metlbalového zápasu, aj keď podľa môjho profesionálneho názoru sa jedná zredigované na rozkaz profesora Blacka. Sa sotva počíta ako zranenie. V skutočnosti, ak bol niekto zranený, bola som to ja, pretože neverím, že som niekedy v živote tak silno prekrúcala očami. Je to zázrak, že vôbec môžem vidieť počas písania týchto poznámok. Skôr neuveriteľné alebo priam opovrhnutia hodné, riaditeľ teraz chce zrušiť metlobal a to všetko preto, že čistokrvný odišiel a ešte predtým, ako bola zlatá strela vôbec na dohľad. Keď som trochu pritlačila na riaditeľa, bolo mi povedané šokujúce. To kvôli tomuto? Zaujímavé. Počkaj. Oni odišli? Oni úplne odišli. OK. A tu nemôžem ísť. Nine! Jak som mám vedieť, že ona vyjde stadiaľ von? Dobre. Dobre, ale mne tu lietala tá Paige. Tu je.
Revelio.
Tam je stále, takže dobre. Return to... Dobre, môžeme sa vrátiť za caretakerom. Tu musíme teraz prejsť okolo všetkých tých ľudí, že? Tam máme niečo. Oni tu už nie sú?
Revelio.
Čo to je? Mnohí predpokladajú, že ide o pancier kraba ohnivého, ktorý pochádza z Fidži. Avšak tí, ktorí vedia, prisahajú, že je to korytnačí pancier zdobený drahokamami, ktorý vytvoril šialený čarodejník nedaleko Versaillesu. Keď jeho zámok napadli ňucháči, oslnivý pancier odniesli, aby ho po rokoch objavil rockfordský profesor na dovolenke v Ardenách. Pekné. Dobre, sem sa nedostanem. Ja chcem tú Paige, ale ja nechcem, aby šiel za mňou. Tuto to dočiahnem určite.
Done. Hello, Mr. Moon. I have the moons you asked me to collect.
Oh, goodness! You're as fearless as I'd hoped. An excellent start. If we can collect more, it may shed some light on who's behind all this. Of course, I first suspected Peeves. He drove the previous caretaker, Rancorous Carp, to an early retirement with his intolerable buffoonery. But that does not explain the boggart in Oxmead, does it? No. I am determined, with your help, to discover the identity of my tormentor.
I'll see what I can do, but I'm fairly busy. I can't promise anything.
Understood. But I hope you will find the time. In case it matters, I do have something to offer in exchange for your assistance. Now, remember, the moons are only retrievable at night. Thus, I encourage you to use a disillusionment when necessary.
How many statues are there to find?
I don't know precisely, but I've spotted dozens. Seems they're everywhere I look. You have your work cut out for you, if you were to ever unravel their meaning.
You mentioned offering something in exchange for my assistance.
I did. Once you've brought me enough moons, I'll show you even more powerful forms of Alohomora. Not every lock is as easy to pick as the faculty towers.
Okay.
Understood. I shall keep an eye out.
I appreciate that.
Dobre.
Oh, and I knew you were the one to ask for help. Keep at it so we can solve this mystery.
OK, tak toto máme hotovo. Kde sa tam nachádzame teraz? Poďme sa pozrieť, či tu hore. Tu sme boli vôbec niekedy? Teraz, keď na tým... Aha, tu bude asi vchod do Gryffindorskej klubovne. Vyzerá to tak. Sranda. Ja by som sa tak chcela potulovať. Takto po Rockforte. To bolo tak super. A objavovať všetky tie tajné priestory. Tuto sú záchody, že? A toto vieme... Oh, vieme toto piknúť. Alohomora. Počkaj, čo to som získala a to sa musela dostať Alohomorou do záchodov?
Revelio.
OK, je tu jedna častka.
Mine now, demiguys.
Dobre. Mala by som už... Čo je toto? Vie mi niekto povedať, čo je toto? To je akože ohrieváreň. Uj.
Revelio.
Sranda. Toto som nečakala. Dobre, ja myslím, že môžeme... Dobre, poďme ďalej. Rozmýšľam, že si skočím si do Rockvillu a popredávam nejaké veci. Aby som mala miesto na ruke, lebo zase sa omylom pripletiem do nejakého questu, kde budem kopec čestiek a ja nebudem mať miesto. Tu strašná tma a hmla.
Welcome to the Og's Head. Any empty seat is yours.
To na mňa hovorí som to prasco. Dobre, sem som vôbec nechce. Daj mi Wow, ja som dosť dobrá v tom. Toto bola strašná náhoda. Ale dobré. Sorry. Sorry, oko. Táto malá komunitná záhrada v srdci dediny je ideálnym miestom na pestovanie rôznych bylín a pokojných magických rastlín. Ja si môžem niečo odtrhnúť? Asi nie. Tak to potom nič.
Welcome back. I've arranged a special price on the broom upgrade for you. I truly appreciate all of your help.
Dobre, popredávame všetko, čo tu je také zlé. Dobre, popredávala som veci a môžeme pokračovať v queste.
Welcome, everyone. I see you've already met some of the many beasts we study in this class. Though be advised, none of these creatures should be taken lightly. They are all in their own way dangerous, especially if one does not know how to handle them properly. Now, it seems many of you are out of practice. Let's take some time to review the basics of how to care for a beast, shall we? Miss Sweeting, would you please assist our new student with the lesson today?
Yes, Professor Howen. Hello, I'm Poppy Sweeting. Don't worry about Professor Howen's speech. She over-exaggerates sometimes. All the beasts in class are perfectly safe.
Oh! Miss Sweeting, pay attention, please. The tongue of a puffskein can be a slippery devil.
Yes, Professor. Here, you can practice on Gerald. Just keep an eye out for his tongue.
Zlaté.
You can use my brush. Just be gentle. Oh, and think pleasant thoughts. I like to think it enriches his experience.
Yeah.
That's lovely. I'm sure he feels much better.
Puffskein Dunkin.
I think he might be hungry. Would you mind giving him some beast food?
Dobre, takže už ho vieme aj nakrmiť. To sú korky.
What do you suppose the pellets taste like to Gerald? Pudding, I like to think. I think we can safely say that Gerald likes you.
That's good news. He seems very nice.
He is. Kindness is one of his best qualities, right after ambition. And cleanliness.
Good work, everyone. Now, let's make our way to the pens and select another beast. And please, do be careful as you feed and groom them. Miss Sweeting, why don't you show our new student to the Kneazles in the farthest pen?
This way. The Kneazles are over here.
Kneazles sú vlastne veľké mačky s divnými chvostami.
Oh, couple of Kneazle whiskers ought to get me a few canuts at least. Enough to buy something from Honeydukes. Stupid thing.
What in Merlin's name are you doing?
Tuss, peculiar Poppy. Worried about a worthless little rodent.
Her name is Persephone!
Her name is Persephone!
That's really not funny.
Let's go.
Those two don't belong anywhere near this class. Poachers in training. Persephone was onto them instantly. Thank you for your help. Let's carry on. Feed and brush the Kneazles just as you did with Gerald.
Let's eat some corks. Aha, okay. Here, corks. Eat it.
The Kneazles really took to you. They
Here,
know a good egg
another
when
corks.
they see one. As do I.
Delicious corks.
It
Here.
appears our time has come to an end. Please close the pens and see yourselves out. Now, where is our new student? Ah,
Tu som.
there you are. I would like a moment, please.
Stojím presne pred tebou.
Hello, Professor. You wanted to speak with me?
I did. How did you find your first beasts lesson?
Very beautiful. I enjoyed it.
It was wonderful. I believe I'm really going to enjoy this class.
Good. You seem to understand that when beasts are properly controlled, they can play a vital role in our lives. Some provide us with magically imbued materials, if cared for correctly, which does not include torturing them for whiskers. Well done, by the way. Probably best to let me handle it next time.
Yes, Professor.
They're nearly as bad as the Savagers in Rookwood's poacher pack. Sadly, we're the ones who suffer, stumbling over dead beasts. Terrible waste of resources.
Surely the poachers can be brought to justice by someone. The Ministry, perhaps.
An optimistic idea. Now, why don't we focus on more immediate matters that we can control? Professor Weasley has asked that I prepare some assignments designed to help you catch up to the other fifth years. Be on the lookout for my owl. Meanwhile, I also encourage you to study as many beasts as you can on your own time.
Takže budeme môcť starať o beasts. Počkať, ja sa iba pozriem. Ešte tieto. Jaké sú pekné. Počkaj, musím dať všetkým nakrmiť, aby to bolo fér. Tu máš korky. Idem ďalej sa pozrieť, čo tu je. Ja som tu ešte nebola. Čo je tu zaujímavé ešte? Nič moc. Môžem sem ísť? Nemôžem sem ísť. Of course. A tu? Jasné, že nie. Pumpkin! I'm sorry. Viem to opraviť? Neviem tu robiť nič. OK. Dobre, poďme za... Tu ťa ešte pohľadím. Haha. Dobre, poďme za... Poppy? Poppy.
Did you need something, Poppy?
Thank you again for saying something to those brutes so that I didn't have to. You were an augury at noon in the desert.
I certainly hope that's a good thing.
It's something my gran and I say. It means that something or someone is a welcome surprise. At least, that's what we decided it meant.
I couldn't stand there and watch them harm the poor thing.
We're of a similar mind. Actually, in light of that, there's someone I'd like you to meet. In the forest.
It sounds intriguing.
You've intrigued me. Very well, lead the way.
I'd hoped I would.
Čo budeme vidieť?
I wouldn't take just anyone there. In fact, you're the first.
Really?
Special.
Well, thank you, I think.
As I said, we think alike. Pleasant surprise.
Poppy bude asi naša najlepšia kamoška, som sa rozhodla.
Quite the weather we're having.
Cítim sa viac ako Poppy, ako...
Poppy, where are you taking
môj
me?
charakter, čo
It really is much better if I just show you. Don't worry, we're nearly there.
Už
It's
sme
just
tam.
ahead.
Skoro sme tam. Čo mám vidieť? Som tam nič nevidela.
Stand back.
To bude... To bude... Hypokryt. Budeme môcť aj lietať? Na takom?
Please meet Highwing.
Highwing.
Isn't she just magnificent?
It is.
Go on, introduce yourself to her. But be careful. You must always show hippogriffs the proper courtesy before you approach them. don't think I've ever seen a hippogriff take to someone this quickly. You can feed and brush her if you'd like. I come and check on her every once in a while. Bring her pasties, tell her what's going on in the castle. You wouldn't know from looking at her, but she's a dreadful busybody.
Všetci jedia korky. Wow. Ja som myslela, že budem môcť vysadnúť.
So, what did you think of Highwing?
I thought she was brilliant. Can't believe you introduced me to her.
I suspected you two might get along.
Are you the reason students have been seeing hippogriffs flying above the Forbidden Forest?
Perhaps. Did you know that once you earn a hippogriff's trust, they'll always be there for you? I've seen it firsthand with her.
How exactly did you and Highwing cross paths?
It's a longer story, but I rescued her from poachers a few years back. Got her to safety and, well, she was fine until recently. You may have noticed that poachers are something of a problem in the area, so I worry they could get her again. And I might not be there next time.
Professor Howin mentioned the poachers as well. She seemed to imply that we couldn't rely on the Ministry to help.
I don't often agree with Professor Howin, but on that, I fear she's right. The poachers' influence is growing. I see them every day in the village, lingering, talking to people. They're up to something. I'm just not sure what.
That does seem strange. Sounds as if they're planning something.
Exactly. I think I'm going to look into it. Find out what's going on, what they're doing.
I think that's a fine idea. Information is power.
And the more I know, the better I can keep Highwing safe.
You seem undeterred. Will you let me know what you find out?
Oh, very well. I will. I should be going, but we'll speak again soon, I hope.
Ja si tu pozbieram nejaké vecičky, keď už som vonku. Dobre, čo ďalej? Ja už hrám dosť dlho. Chýba mi posledný token. Tak to môže byť, že úplne hoci kde. Dáme si na záver tento flying vec. Taká sova. A ja jej viem Viem mi pohľadkať? No beast targeted, tak nič, škoda. Myslela som, že to pôjde.
You're back! Nice to see you again. You'll be thrilled with that broom, I promise you. I must tell you, Arthur Vogsmead's been by the shop asking about rumours of a broom upgrade. Without the information you provided, my work would have taken twice as long. Thank you again. It may sound ambitious, but I've already begun work on another upgrade, more difficult to perfect than the last. I wondered, would you be interested in joining forces again? There's another course near Arendale that Miss Reyes has mastered. If you were to test this first upgrade there, it may help me as I develop the next. Oh, you'll consider it, won't you?
Yes.
Sounds as if you're really outdoing yourself. If I'm able to help, I will.
Thank you. I know this recent success was only the beginning of what I can do for Broomflight. Report back as soon as you can, and we'll be off to the races.
Takže ideme si zarejsovať.
Off to the races then.
To je dosť ďaleko. Poďme metlou. Nemôžem tu lietať. Musíme výjsť z Rockville najprv, až potom môžeme vyletieť na metle. A ideme si dať závod z Imelda Reyes. Tu už môžem lietať, nie? Môžem, jasne. Let's go! So beautiful, this place. Skúsime letieť tesne nad vodou. Môžeme letieť aj tak, že sa budem dotýkať špičkami prstov vody. Nie, neviem ísť nižšie. Wow, to je super. Takto by som si fakt zaletela. Čo je toto? Čo je toto? Ja som nevedela, že to je voda už. Aha, to je kameň. Ja som myslela, že tam sa dá ísť, že to je nejaká jaskyňa. Je to niečo zaujímavé?
Revelio.
Nie. A toto sme už tiež splnili. Čo je tamto? Také svetielka. Tuto sme dostali ten quest. Áno, toto je to s tým plávaním.
Grace, what is it you needed my help with?
I was hoping you could dive down and retrieve a treasured family astrolabe lost during a doomed stargazing cruise.
Of course. I totally forgot.
This must be where the Pinch Smedley family astrolabe is.
Našla som nejakú lepšiu šálu. Tieto veci si asi môžeme nehať, pokiaľ nenájdem to, čo chcela ona, že? Hand item. Neck item. Nejaká šála. Máme to. Smedley Family Astrolabe.
I should let Grace know that I found her family astrolabe.
Aha, astrolabe. Nemôžeme ísť na metlu? Yes.
I trust you didn't find the dive too terribly difficult.
I've got it.
Hello, Grace. I followed your bearings on a dive in the Black Lake.
Oh, how incredible! Did you find the astrolabe?
I did. I hope it makes your father happy.
It will. I can't wait to see his face. Thank you so much for doing this for me, and for my family. You do well to keep an eye out for more spots to dive. A diver of your caliber is certain to find all sorts of things down there. Thank you again. And I do hope you keep diving. You certainly have a knack for finding treasure.
Super, tak konečne mám hotový tento quest a nemusí mi to tam stáť a ja môžem ísť lietať.
Here we are. Mr. Weeks wasn't wrong about the mountain views.
If it isn't the fastest Hufflepuff.
Počkajte, zoberiem si len tieto poklady. A hneď môžeme súťažiť.
Hello, Imelda. So, another trial?
Of course it's another trial. And you'd better be taking part.
Does this mean you've changed your mind about me?
Well, you're a step up from the good-for-nothings who usually challenge me. While they sit around and hope to be the best, I put in hours of practice. No one sets records by wishing for them, and I need strong competition to stay on top of my game. Are you going to try to beat my flying record or not?
I'm ready to fly.
Finally, a decent challenge.
Let's go! To dáme. Guys. Do keľu, predbehla ma tá loutka.
I'm getting the hang of this.
Of course I am.
Excellent.
Excellent! No keby viem, jak mám sa nastaviť, aby som sa trafila do tých kruhov, lebo je to dosť ťažké. Ale asi si začínam trošku zvykať. Tak. I'm flying! Dole. Shit.
Made it.
Myslím si, že to úplne v pohode zvládnem. Ona to komentuje za mňa. Teda ja to komentujem za seba. Čo? Škoda, že tu není ten Quidditch metlobal. Dosť by som si to zahrala.
I'd say that was acceptable.
Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Kde to je ten koniec, ty koksa?
Now that's more like it.
Akože that's more like it, ja idem stále dobre. Nad čím to lietame, akože? Teda, no nad čím, tak som to chcela povedať správne.
I've got this.
Yes, yes!
You've improved, I must admit. That was a bloody good run. Be careful. Earn a reputation for talent around here, and some people get put out about it.
Sounds like you're speaking from experience.
Yes, well, I am. Anyway, you didn't do abysmally. I can't deny that. But you'll not have the same luck on the South Coast course.
We'll see, won't we? Till next time.
I half expected you to back down. Rest on your laurels. See you at the South Coast trial, if you don't lose your nerve. To race this course again, visit the podium with the leaderboard, where you can start the race and check your time.
Okay.
Another successful flight. I should let Mr. Weeks know.
Back from your latest flight? I want to hear all the particulars.
Good news, Mr. Weeks. With your upgrade, I was able to set a new record at the Irondale course.
Brilliant! I knew the upgrade had fantastic potential. How did your broom feel?
It rides well. Does get a tad shaky at top speed, and the handle wobbles a bit when I hit a strong gust of wind.
Ah, yes. I see. I think I know how to address that. Thank you. I owe you one.
If it means another upgrade, the pleasure's all mine.
You sound as determined as I am to improve broom flight. It's a joy to have a collaborator like yourself. If I'm right, and I do hope I am, you'll be hearing good news from me soon.
Great.
Thank you again, truly.
You're welcome. Tut Tornados.
Mr. Weeks and I do make a good team.
Tu niečo je. Super. Tento obchod, ktorý prevádzkuje prívetivý Albie Weeks, predáva všetky druhy čarodejníckeho športového tovaru, vrátane najnovších modelov metiel. Po meste sa hovorí, že samotný Albie pracuje na množstve vylepšení pre metly. Pekne. Dobre, tu je kopec vecí naokolo. Ďakujem ľudia, že ste si zliadli toto videjko, dúfam, že sa vám páčilo, je to trošku inší formát, ako som zvyknutá strihať. Chcela by som v tejto hre pokračovať ďalej, povedzte mi, akou formou by ste to vy preferovali. Predtým som robila streamy a teraz som vlastne vyskúšala to spraviť ako video, že som vlastne zostrihala veci, ktoré som dlho hľadala, alebo loading screeny som vystrihla. V tom streame je to také, že tam si to nemôžem dovoliť úplne vystrihnúť. Napíšte mi, že čo vy preferujete a taktiež mi nezabudni tam pacnúť odber a like a my sa vidíme pri ďalšom videu. Nox! Wow, to fungovalo.
Wait a minute, Sebastian. I think they got my shoulder.
One moment, I have some Wiggenweld potion. Here, let me help. Merlin's beard, will this even work?
Ow, ow, ow. I think it's working. Look, Sebastian. It's looking much better.
Oh no. It's a nice shoulder. I mean, your shoulder is good, yes. Your shoulder is yes? I mean, it's a nice shoulder. I mean, your shoulder is better. I mean, yes, it does look better. What are you doing to me? Oh no. It's happening again.
Good afternoon, Sebastian. I have just one thing to say to you.
Do not.
Got him.